G'day, Mark here from Tempest Tools. This video is about open endpoints and how ToolBox flags them. So you can see here on my screen, I've got my part open. I've got a 1mm gap here and a 0.1mm gap down in here. So I'm going to head back to ToolBox now and upload that part. Drag it onto the browse button, upload it. You can see now that it looks a little bit different to a clean 2D. What will happen is once you start adding your material and thickness, that will then prompt that warning. So as you know, anything orange means, hey, stop and caution. Doesn't mean that we can't calculate that and get a price. It just, the orange icon, as you know, is a flag to say, hey, we found something a bit weird. So I'm going to open up Drawing Doctor and I'm going to show you what those 2 points look like. So if I zoom in on the bigger of the two here, you can see that it's kept it open, but we've closed that gap in there for you. So anything under 0.1 will close. Anything over, it's up to you whether you proceed with a quote for that or push back on the customer, or you open it in CAD and fix that yourself. Thanks for watching.